In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your address on Acuity. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Acuity Scheduling website. Navigate to their homepage and ensure that you're logged into your account. This is obviously an important step as you won't be able to make changes to your address if you're not signed in. Once you're on the Acuity Scheduling homepage, you'll see a navigation menu. From there, look for the option labeled Calendar. Clicking on this will take you to the Calendar section where all your appointments and schedules are listed. This page essentially acts as the hub for managing your appointments and settings. Now that you're viewing your calendar, your next step will be to select the schedule you want to modify. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple calendars, as you want to ensure you're updating the correct one. Once you've identified the desired calendar schedule, click on it to proceed. Upon selecting the calendar, look for the Edit option. It's typically an accessible button that allows you to alter various settings related to your calendar. Once you click Edit, you'll be granted access to a range of fields and settings, including the address information. In this section, what you'll want to do next is keep an eye out for any mention of location. This is your cue to know you're heading in the right direction. Many users find it convenient to update their address info here, all in one place. Once again, you'll now need to click on a button or section titled Calendar Settings. This will lead you to the area where you can make more detailed adjustments relating to your calendar, including location specifics. Now, once you're in the calendar settings, find the tab labeled Location. This tab is specifically designed for updating the physical address associated with your appointments and schedules. Click on it to open a text field where you can enter your new address. In this text box, carefully type in your new address, ensuring that all the details are precise and correct. Double checking the address here can save you a lot of hassle down the line, especially if clients rely on this information for in-person meetings. Finally, after entering your new address, look for the Save button. Clicking Save is essential as it will ensure that all your changes are properly stored. This action confirms that your new address details will take effect immediately. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully updated your address on Acuity. It's always a good idea to log out and log back in to verify that everything looks exactly how you'd like it. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other guides for more helpful tips on using Acuity.